Welcome to Amaya channel. Today, what we are going to do is Bihar board some centum examination was there for class 10th. That question answers I am solving. So that objective type question is there. That questions are, first question is find the value of angle 180 degree in grades. So 180 degree in grade, you know grade system, 180 degree will exactly get converted into 200 grades. Okay, 180 degree will get converted into 200 grade because in grade system 190 degree will be 100 grade, then 180 degree will get converted into 200 grade. So the question was exactly, what was the question there is, the value of the angle 180 degree in grade is, options were 100, 200, 300 and 180. So obviously the answer will become 200. मतलब कोण 180 डिग्री का मान दंड ग्रेड में क्या है, तो आंसर विल बी 200. ओके, बिकॉज 90 डिग्री विल बी इक्वल टू 100 ग्रेड्स, so 180 degree will be double of it, so 200 grades, so definitely it will go for 200. So answer will come for option B. Second question, what they are telling that, the second question what they are asking that कि 230 degree lies in which quadrant, in which quadrant, I am writing the question in shortcut, in which quadrant does 230 degree lie. So answer is first quadrant, second quadrant, 230 degree. So 230 degree options are given as first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant. First, second, third or fourth quadrant. So now check, this is exactly coming between 0 to 90 degree. पहला 0 to 90 degree, फिर 180, then 270 and then 360. So here the value coming is 230. So 230 means third quadrant. So answer will be 3. That is third quadrant. Now shall we go for the next question? Next question they are telling that the value of angle 60 degree in radian, okay, is, so first we have to convert. We know that pi radian equal to 180 degree, so 1 degree will be equal to pi by 180 radian, then 60 degree will be equal to how much, pi by 180 into 60 radian. So here 0 0 6 3 is 18, so pi by 3. So here options given were pi by 2, second option pi by 3, third option pi by 4 and fourth option pi by 6. The correct answer is coming as pi by 3. Okay, so now next question what was there is ki sine 2a. Now question number 8, sine 2a will be equal to what? Options given were 2 sine a into cos a, second one sine square a cos square a, third option sine a by cos a, and fourth option 2 cos square a minus 1. The correct answer is sine 2a formula is 2 sine a into cos a. So answer will be 8a is the correct answer. Now we will go for ninth one. Ninth question they are asking that we have to convert pi by 4 radian will be equal to what. ये हिंदी का बिहार बोर्ड का एग्जाम सेंटअप एग्जाम जो था उसका क्वेश्चन पेपर में सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. Then here it is written as 30 degree, second is 90 degree, third is 60 degree, fourth is 45 degree. So now pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian will be 180 by pi. But here how much radian is it? Pi by 4 radian. So it is pi by 4 into 180 by pi. So this will get cancelled. So it will come 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are. So 40 degree, 45 degrees. So answer will be coming as D. So pi by 4 directly we can solve. Without solving also directly we can say pi by 4 is 45 degree. Okay. Now next is tan A plus B formula they are asking. In question number 10 they are telling that tan A plus B will be what? So here options they have given tan A plus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Second option tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Third option tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. D. Tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A into tan B. So now correct answer will be what? Tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, tan A plus B formula is this one. So direct formula implementation is there. We don't need not to do anything in that. Now question number 11 they are telling that cos of 270 degree plus theta will be equal to what? Options given is sin theta, second is cos theta, third is minus cos theta, fourth is minus sin theta. Now first important thing is 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta means coming in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is cos house. So cos of 270 plus theta, cos of 270 plus theta is nothing but sin theta. So A will be the correct answer because it is in fourth quadrant and fourth quadrant 27 is odd. So cos will get converted into sin. So next question is they are telling that if sin, question number 12. Question number 12 they are telling that sin theta equal to 5 by 13, then what will be cos theta? Options given are 5 by 12, second, 13 by 5, third, 12 by 13, fourth, 13 by 12. Now here in triangle part, so sin theta already given as perpendicular and hypotenuse. So what will be base? Base will become 13 square minus 5 square. So here it will become 13 plus 5 and 13 minus 5. So here it is coming 18 into 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So here 2924. So 2, 3, 2 is coming. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 12 is coming. So base is coming 12. So cos theta will be what? Cos theta will be base by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13. So C will become the answer. 12 by 13 will become the correct answer. Now shall we go for the next question? Next question what they are telling that ki pi by 2, that is pi by 2 radian. Pi by 2 radian is equal to how many right angles? How many right angles? So 100% we know that pi by 2 radian is how many right angles? Only one right angle. They have given in this, so answer will be only one. Pi by 2 will be only one. Pi by 2 is 90 degrees, so one right angle will be coming. Now if somebody will be asking you pi by 2 will be how many right angles? So pi radian, you can also prove this one. If somebody pi radian will be equal to 180 degree. So pi by 2 radian will be equal to 180 degree by 2. So it is coming as pi by 2 radian is coming as 90 degree. That means pi by 2 is coming as 1 radian, 1 right angle. Okay. Now next question is, they are asking that next question, question number I think question number 15. So question number 15 is what? Question number 15 what they are telling that कि cos of minus 585 degree is equal to what? Options given is 585 degree will be equal to what? So 1 by root 2 second minus 1 by root 2 third root 3 by 2. First most important thing is cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay, so this part will become cos of 585. Now 360 into 2. 360 into 2 will become 2 6 that was 7. It is coming more. So now what we can do here is cos of 585 360. So 365 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there, 225. So this is exactly going to come so much more. So shall we do one more thing? Shall we convert it into 90 degree? So if 90 degree we will be converting, then 90, 90, 90, 90. You see, very 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. So 90 into 6. So 9 6 are 54. 540. Now 585 minus 540 will come 45. Okay. So here it is 540 plus 45 degree. Okay, 540 plus 45 degree. What I did, I converted 585 degree as 540 plus 45 because 9 6 are 54. So 9 6 are 54, 540 plus 45. Now 90 times we will rotate. You see, 90 will go for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 time over cycle 45 is coming. Now 45 is coming in which quadrant? This is third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. Okay. So here it will become cos 9 is there, so 9 is odd. So it will become minus sine 45 degree and sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So answer will come minus 1 by root 2. So B will be the correct answer, minus 1 by root 2. Shall we go for the next question? The value of, so 1 plus cot square theta. Next question what they are asking, that question number 16, 1 plus cot square theta will be equal to what? Options are cosecant square theta, next tan square theta, third cos square theta, fourth sin square theta. The formula is 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Direct formula, it is exactly going to be used. Now here next question what they are asking is कि sin 15 degree will be equal to what? Sin 15 degree will be equal to what? 4 options are given to you. First option is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Second option is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Third option is root 3 minus 1 by 2. Fourth option is root 3 plus 1 by 2. ओके, नाउ कैसे इसको सॉल्व करना है? रूट साइन 15 डिग्री को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं साइन 45 डिग्री माइनस 30 डिग्री. ओके, बिकॉज 45 माइनस 30 इज नथिंग बट 15 डिग्री. सो नाउ दिस वन विल बिकम साइन 45 डिग्री इंटू कॉस 30 डिग्री माइनस कॉस 45 डिग्री इंटू साइन 30 डिग्री. साइन ए कॉस बी माइनस कॉस ए साइन बी. साइन 45 इज 1 बाई रूट 2 and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So now what we are going to do is, shall we take, here it is coming as root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 directly coming, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So answer is coming as A. So now next question is, I think we have solved how many questions? We have solved 16, 17 questions over. After that, question number 23 is there. I'll check. So question 23, tan A will be equal to what? Options are 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. B option, tan A by 2 1 plus tan square A by 2. C option, 2 tan A by 2 1 plus tan square A by 2. Okay. D option, 1 minus secant square A. The correct answer formula according to formula will be tan A. See, look here. Formula is tan 2A is 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Now if angle will become half, then this part will become 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. So 2 tan A by 2 by 1. So this one is wrong. The correct answer will be 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. So answer will be this, 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. So now next question is cos 3A. They are asking the formula cos 3A will be equal to what? Cos 3A will be equal to what? This is question number 24. Options are 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Second, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Third, sin 3A. Fourth, 1 minus sin square A. Direct formula is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So 24th answer is A. 24th answer is A. Now 25th answer. 25th question, what is there? In 25th question they are telling that ki sin theta equal to 4 by 5. Then what will be sin 2 theta? Okay. Options are 25 by 24. Then 24 by 25. 0. So first work is we should know what is sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So now sin theta value is already there, but cos theta we have to find. So cos theta, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So here first we have to find base. Base is 5 square minus 4 square. So 25 minus 16 root under. So it is coming as 9. It is coming as 3. So now it will come 2 into perpendicular is 4 by 5 and cos is 3 by 5. So 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 3 8s are 24 by 25. So 24 by 25, so answer will be B. 24 by 25, so answer will be B. 24 by 25 answer will be B. Now next question is, they are telling that 2 sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree will be equal to what? Your options are A 2, B 1, C 1 by 2, D 0. So we know that 2 sin 45. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So answer will cancel and it will become 1. So exactly question number 26 answer is coming as 1. Okay. So after 26 question number 27 is there. It is written that sin 63 into cos 27 plus cos 63 into sin 27. Options are 2 1 minus 1 0. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, it will become sin 63 plus 27, so sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree value is, because 7 plus 3 0, so 90, sin 90 value is 1. Sin 90 value is 1, so B will become the answer. So now next question is question number 28. It is written that 1 minus 2 sin square A will be equal to what? Options are sin 2A, cos 2A, sin square A, cos square A. The correct answer for this one, already every time I am telling cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1, or cos 2A is 1 minus 2 sin square A, or cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square. So here which one is fitting? Cos 2A is 1 minus 2 sin square A. So 1 minus 2 sin square is nothing but cos 2A, because it comes under formula. Now next question is, it has been written that directly sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Okay, but here options are given to you is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Second option 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Third 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Then cos C plus D by 2 into cos sin C minus D by 2. So here 2 is missing. This part 2 is missing. So the correct answer will be 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus. Already it is matching in the formula. So question number 29th answer will be that. Now next question they are telling that if A plus B plus C equal to pi, then what will be the value of sin B plus C? Sin B plus C will be equal to what? Options are cos A, tan A, sin A, none of this. So first work what we are going to do is, because all the answers are given in A, so first we will do whatever is given to us is B plus C. So we know that A plus B plus C equal to pi. So what we will do, B plus C will be equal to pi minus A. So here sin B plus C is there. So instead of sin B plus C, shall we write it as pi minus A? So sin of 180 minus theta is sin A. Okay, so answer will be 3. So with this we have finished how many questions? We have finished 30 questions. Now next question is 31st question, what they are telling that sin theta equal to sin 30 degree. Then what will be theta? Come on, 30 degree theta will directly become, because they are both same trigonometric ratio. So theta will directly become 30 degree. Theta will directly become what? 30 degree. That's it. See, sin theta equal to sin 30 degree. So theta will be equal to 30 degree. That's it. Now question number 32. Formula will be A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This formula is there. Okay. Now based on this they are asking that what will be the value of cos A. So in 32nd question they are telling that cos A will be equal to what? So first this part we will shift this one that side. So it will become 2BC cos A will be equal to B square plus C square minus A square, B square plus C square minus A square, and then cos A will be equal to, cos A will be exactly going to be equal to what? Cos A will be coming equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. So this part is exactly going to be the correct answer. So option exactly coming as option given where I forgot to put option B square plus C square minus A square 2BC. Second b square plus c square plus a square by 2bc. Now b square minus c square plus a square by 2bc. Third, b square plus c square minus a square by bc. So definitely answer is coming b square plus c square minus a square. That is answer 1 is the correct answer. Answer A is the correct answer. Shall we go for 32nd question? What they are telling that if tan theta equal to cot theta, then what will be the value of theta? Then theta will be equal to what? So exactly at what specific angle tan theta is coming equal to cot theta? Is there any angle because of which tan theta is equal to cot theta? Is there any angle between which will make? So answer is exactly 45. Tan 45 degree is coming as 1. Cot 45 degree is also coming as 1. So specifically for this angle, so theta will be 45, then tan theta will be equal to cot theta. Okay, when theta will be 45, then only tan theta will be equal to cot theta. We have finished question, I think. Okay, I think question number, some questions got misplaced, so I am just reading that question out. Okay, now question number 13. 13 question I think we have not done. A equal to B equal to 45. They are telling that A will be equal to B equal to 45 degree. Then sine of A plus B will be what? Sine of A plus B will be what? Options are root 2, 2, 1, none of this. Now here sine of 45 is there plus 45. It is coming sine 90 degree and sine 90 value is straight away 1. So option will be C. Next question is, if tan theta equal to 1 by root 3, then theta will be equal to what? degree. Easy. Or theta will be equal to 90 degree. So tan theta equal to tan 30 degree. So theta equal to 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. So first angle itself they have given here 30 degree. This one is 60 degree. To avoid any confusion, this is exactly coming as 30 degree. Now next is 1 plus cos A. Now one formula is there. 1 plus cos A will be equal to what? Options are okay, but here one very important thing is, we know one formula, that is cos 2a, 1 plus cos 2a, cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, so if we will make the angle half, so this part will also become half. So now here it is coming as cos a. If we will shift this one that side, it will become 1 minus cos a. So 1 minus cos a is nothing but 2 sin square a by 2. Okay, 1 minus cos 2a, but here 1 plus cos 2a if you will take, cos a you will take, it will become 2 cos square a by 2. Okay, 2 cos square a by 2. So answer will be exactly coming as B. So question number 15, answer is coming as B. B is the correct answer. Now question number 16. Question number 16, what is written in question number 16? Sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree will be equal to what? Minus 1, 1, 2, 0. So sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. 2 by 2 cancel, answer is coming as 1. Okay, distance between the pair of points. How to get the distance between pair of points? So first point given is 2 comma 4, second point given is 4 comma 6. So what will be distance between AB? So AB distance is exactly going to come out as it is coming as 2 root 2. What was the question? 2 root 2. So options given to you were 2, 2 root 2, root 2 0. So we already got 2 root 2. So answer is coming as 2 root 2. Now next question, what they are telling that, question number 18, it is written that sine 2 pi plus theta will be what? 2 pi plus theta, means one complete cycle is 2 pi. After that it is going towards theta. Now we have to check if it is exactly going to be the sine 2 pi plus theta. If it is landing on the first quadrant, then 100% it is going to be sine theta. Second quadrant cos theta. Third quadrant minus sine theta. Fourth quadrant minus cos theta. So 100% 2 pi plus theta will be nothing but sine theta only. So answer will be 1 only. Answer will be 1 only. Okay. Now secant pi by 2 plus theta. Next question. Question number 19. Secant pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. Now this will be equal to what? Minus cos theta, minus cosecant theta, or minus sin theta. So 100% secant of pi by 2 plus theta means second quadrant. So secant of pi by 2 plus theta, here secant will become minus cosecant, minus cosecant pi by 2, minus cosecant theta. So secant of pi by 2 plus theta will become minus cosecant theta. So answer 3 will become the correct answer. Answer 3 will become the correct answer. Now next question is question number 20. So question number 20, they are telling that sine of 135 degrees. So sine of 135, shall we write it as sine of 90 plus 90 plus 45 will be how much? 90 plus 45 will be exactly going to be 30. Okay, so 135 is coming. So 90 plus 45. You know 90 plus 45 is which quadrant? Second quadrant. So it is coming as minus sine 45 degree. So answer is coming minus 1 by root 2. Answer is coming minus 1 by root 2. Okay, sine of 90 plus theta plus only will be there because it is exactly second quadrant. So since second quadrant everything will be positive, so answer will come as 1 by root 2. Okay. Now next question what they are asking is secant 1080, secant 1080, what is the value of this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Options 2, 1, 0 minus 1. So secant 1080, how much it is exactly? So 9 tens are 90, 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 2 9s are 18, 108. Okay, so 9 12 times is coming 108 directly. So 990 into 12, 90 into 12 0, 9 2s are 18, and then 9 1s are 9, 10, 1080 is coming. So that means secant 12 into 90 plus 0 remainder is there. So 12 into 90 means how many times you have to go? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 100% it is going here. So it will come as secant first quadrant it is coming. So secant it is exactly going to be 12 into 90. So secant of 0. Secant of 0, tan of secant of 0 will be exactly equal to 1, because secant of 90, 100% you have to understand from here that 2 into 90 degree plus 1, 12 into 90 degree plus theta is there. So sorry, because 12 into 90 degree plus theta part is, so remainder part is not coming anything. So secant of 90, because secant cos of 90 is 1, so secant of 90 will also become 1. So answer is coming as 1. Now last question, that is question number 22. After question number 22, I think I have solved. Okay, first we will solve question number 22. Cosecant of minus 930 degree is equal to what? So cosecant of minus will become minus cosecant of 930 degree. Okay, so 9 tens are 90. So shall we write it as cosecant of 9 into 10, 90 into 10, it will become 900 plus 30. So 90 into 10 times going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is coming this much plus 30 degree. 30 degree means coming in third quadrant. So here minus cosecant 30 degree will be equal to, so because 90 degree plus theta, cosecant 90 degree plus theta is what you called, it is second quadrant only, so we need not to worry about that. So cosecant 30 degree is exactly going to be 2, so minus 2. Let's check this one, what? Cosecant 30 degree, because cosecant minus of minus part will be coming. So here you, one thing you have to be very careful about, that answer options are given as 1, then 2, then 3, 0, and D is coming as minus 2. So now which answer we are going to think, because cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. So 930 will be written as 90 into 10, the 900 plus 30. So 900 plus 30 we are planning for that, but here most important thing is 900. So 90 10 times. So 90 10 times, how we are going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is exactly finishing here and plus third quadrant. So third quadrant it will be exactly going to be minus, okay. So here it is exactly going to be minus cosecant 9 multiple is there. So cosecant will get converted to secant 30 degree. So secant 30 degree means minus into minus plus. So secant 30 degree is coming as 2. So answer will be B. So now we have finished how many questions? With this we have finished total of 33 questions. Okay, now remaining questions I will be doing it in the next video.